Hey guys, this is Josh with Home Fitness Equipment Sales, and today I've got a Sole treadmill, and I'm going to show you everything on it works perfect. Every time I list something for sale, I always do a video showing that everything works perfect. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, it's going to work, or have it dropped off, that when you get it inside, get it all set up and plug it in, everything's going to work perfect. So like I said, I always do a video. So real quick, just kind of go over the features. If you notice these buttons on the side, you have the up, down for your incline, fast, slow for your speed. Up top here, you've got two water bottle spots. You can see this is a nice big container and it fits in there very comfortably. Then on this side, you've got your incline. On this side, you've got your speed, so you can hit this to quickly switch instead of click, 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 click on these guys. But you do have those controls up here as well. You can select your programs. There's your incline, there's your speed. These fans, they work, they are on, and we can turn them off, so it's just an on-off. Then you've got some inputs here for music. You can have your music play out some speakers, or you can plug in for headphones if you're doing this. It's kind of like the iFit thing. Most people are probably just going to pop their iPad up there or have their phone sitting off to the side. And I included that in the listing pictures so you can see what it looks like with an iPad. Pretty much covers up this part of the display, but if you're not really paying attention to that, it's no big deal. So real quick, I'm going to have my daughter Lily hop up here and show you that everything on it is working perfect. That way I don't trip over myself. Let's go ahead and just hit start, and it's giving us a countdown. And it's starting out pretty slow. Go ahead and just kick one of these here, hit 4. And that'll jump right to 4, which hopefully isn't too fast. That's 4 miles per hour. She can hold on there, she can hold on to the sides. And use the side buttons here, Lily, and go ahead and click it down to 2. Yep. So just keep going, because 4 is kind of fast. Or 3. You can leave it on 3. You get a little bit of a workout in. Of course, you can clip this to yourself. If that pops out, it'll shut the machine down. I already showed off the fans. Go ahead and hit 4 on the incline for me, Lily. It's right there on the side. And you can see on the incline, it is lifting up for her. Okay, now go ahead and hit it back to 0. Go ahead and use the down key over there so they can see that works. Click it down. All the way back to 0. Perfect. And one thing I noticed when I was walking on this that I really like is it's nice and stable. There's not too much flex in the base as you're walking, which is great. It's very stable. It's also not like you're walking on concrete either. So it has a real nice base, and that's kind of what you'd look for in a treadmill, something that's not too bouncy, but also gives you some support, not like you're walking on concrete. So that's pretty much it, guys. She's gonna go for another hour and 45 minutes. Just kidding. But now you know everything works perfect. We'll go ahead and get this listed up. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Go ahead and hit that stop button. And just to show them what happens, pull that red thing out for me. Boom, everything shuts down. And then you've got an on-off switch on the back here, so you can switch it off so the kids won't get up there and play with it.
Also got 2 cup holders.
Oh yeah, that's right. 2 cup holders, you can put a book or a magazine down there.
Yes. And then if you start,
We turned it off, yep.
If you start it back on, right here, it'll tell your heart rate, the time, calories, and then distance.
Oh, cool. Very good to know. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Say bye.
Bye.